How to change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now simply tap on Not Now because you don't want to save your login info right now. If you wish to save, tap Save Now. And now tap profile icon in bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner. Scroll down. Tap Account Center under Meta. Now tap Profiles at top of the screen. Now tap your Instagram account. And from here you can easily change your Instagram profile picture tapping on profile picture. But before that, you need to simply remove your Facebook account connected with your Instagram account. For that, on this account center scroll to the bottom and select Accounts. Here you can easily review all the accounts which is connected to Instagram. Simply locate Facebook account and tap Remove button. Now tap Remove account and tap Continue. Once done, tap Yes button. Once you disconnect your Facebook account, this will not affect your Facebook profile picture. So now you can easily change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.